Hey guys, another video with Nick here, and today I'm going to be showing you my dad's NMD R1 Blizzards. He got these off of Champs Sporting Goods. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a place where you can get nice clothes. It's basically a sporting place almost. They have like Adidas clothes if you like that. They have They have Adidas clothes. They have a bunch of hats, sports hats, bunch of nice jackets, pants, everything. Sorry about that. Yeah, they pretty much got any. Sorry, they got almost anything you'd like there. If you're a sneakerhead, like if you like shoes a lot, or if you like I don't know, it's a good place, guys. I recommend looking at it, going on Google, searching it up, or Safari, whatever you want to look up on it, or whatever website you want to look it up on, Google, Safari, anything you want. Yeah, basically he got these at Champs. They cost like $140. Around with the total price he paid around like $150. These are really nice shoes. NMD R1 Blizzards. The release date for these things was in when was it? It was February 2018. February 2018. February 18th, I think it was. I don't know, 21st, something like that. But anyway, yeah, these are super nice shoes. They came out in February 2018. They're new shoes. Sorry, guys. Your little feet. Yeah. So yeah, basically they came out 2018 this year in February. Ow! These are super nice shoes. My dad got these at the mall one day, and if you guys want to see how to tell if you guys go down to my channel, I made a video about how to tell if your hype shoes are fake. And yeah, if I talked about these, how to tell if you're fake. Like for one example, like the cut right here and everything. You guys could just go down to my channel, check that out. Yeah, these are really nice shoes. I was actually gonna get these when I saw them because I really liked them, and then I ended up getting my turtle doves. If you guys want to see more about them, comment, or if you guys want to see a lot about these things, if you guys want to if you guys want to see my turtle doves, go down to my channel and videos should pop up. My Yeezy turtle doves. Hit a like on that video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. And that's the video. No, I'm just kidding. It's not the video. Yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. I know you guys comment down below if you want to see more shoe videos. I'm trying to save up right now for some shadow ones. The Jordan ones, the shadows, the new ones. They came out like a month ago, I think it was. But anyway, those are fire, man. I gotta get those. Here, if you guys don't know what they are, I will show you a picture. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that wait. Okay, this is my sister's phone. So let me check. Oh my gosh, just 4%. Okay, so this one's actually glitching right now because it's iPhone 6. So the Jordan Shadow ones I'm actually trying to save up for those. Then if I get those, I'll do an unboxing for you guys. They're really, really nice shoes. Let me go to GOAT because it's like GOAT's a good website to get your shoes at, guys. My friend Sean, he's gotten some Jordan 5s there, Oreos, and they're real good condition. He actually got them used, and they're still look really nice. Yeah, these shoes are really nice. I was gonna get these, like I said, but then I ended up just getting my Turtle Doves. Go down to my channel, check out that video. You guys can also go down to my channel and check out my video where I oh here, Jordan ones. Sorry, it feels like super glitchy. Oh, there it is. Okay, sorry. Those shoes right there. You guys could just look up Jordan 1 Shadows. High OG. Really nice shoes. I want to do an unboxing for those, but obviously I have to save up for those and be good so my parents can help out with my parents can help me pay some of it also. Yeah, these are really, really nice shoes though. Shout out to my dad for letting me interview shoes. Actually, he didn't let me, but not that he didn't let me, he just I didn't even ask him, so anyway, like, shout out to my dad, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is hold on, let me right back. Whoa. But we have popcorn and my sister almost just spilled it all. Yeah, these are really, really nice shoes. They came out 2018, this year, February. I know I already said that, but like, I honestly want the Jordan 1 Shadows. That's the number one shoe I want. Then I want some Jordan 5s, some Jordan 11s. I want for the Jordan 11s, I want some Space Jams, some Legend Blues. I want some Kyrie 1s. I want some I want some Jordan 5s, like I said. I want some Jordan 11s. I want Jordan 6 Maroons. Those are really nice. I want those really bad. But my main shoe in my mind right now is the Jordan 1 OG Retro Shadows. I personally don't like the low tops, low Jordan 1s. I don't think I'd wear those. But if you like them, it's alright. It's your style, but personally, it's not my style. I wouldn't wear that. Sorry, I'm bleeding right now. Yeah, these are really, really nice shoes. I recommend checking out Champs, seeing what they got. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You guys go down on my channel. Yeah, these are just a close-up of the shoes. My dad actually got them super dirty. Just the Boost. Super soft. See, got them dirty right there. They look kind of weird because, like, they're super big. Yeah, like I said, he got these off Champs. Really nice shoes, like for $150. Pretty good price for them. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Comment down below what videos you want me to upload in the future, and I will do so. You guys just have to comment down below. And thank you guys for 17 subscribers. And make sure you guys subscribe to TS24, Figure Out Aiden, and Sneakers and Streets. And I'll put all of them in the description down below. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Yeah. Sorry. I'm just I was just trying to get the video to 10 minutes. And be honest. Yeah. Oh, shout out to Just Dolly also. Shout out to the Potato. Shout out to everybody, man. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like I said, shout out to 3 main shout outs this video is gonna be to Figure Out Aiden, TS24, and Sneakers and Streets. Make sure you guys subscribe to him. Check out his channel. He also does sneaker reviews and some gun videos. Pretty sick. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what videos you want to see more of. Alright, thank you guys for watching.